Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Baparai Engineers. Today we learn how to make star delta starter with Delta PLC. Also we discuss about PLC ladder logic program regarding star delta starter. Let's move to wiring circuit. First we complete its power wiring. Detailed video of star delta starter is also available on my YouTube channel. Next move to control wiring. We also do some interlock in hard wiring. First we complete power supply circuit. Then we make circuit of digital input. Always check NO and NC contact carefully. In last connect PLC output wires. Always interlock delta and star contactor in hard wire. PLC Baised star delta starter wiring circuit is complete. Programming video will coming in part 2, next to this video in channel. Thanks for watching the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more technical updates.